Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a recent post that I did on my blog, and the title of that post was My Relaxation Techniques, How to De-Stress and Unwind During the Work Week. So I'm just going to be sharing a few of those ways that I de-stress and unwind in this video, and for the rest of those ways you can just go ahead and click on the link in my bio for the complete blog post. So jumping right into it, I love to snack when I'm stressed out, and who doesn't, right? It really helps, and I just like to gravitate towards like whatever I'm craving at the moment. And so right now it was popcorn, and who doesn't love popcorn? Popcorn is just such a feel-good food. And so yeah, I just love to grab any of my snacks. And then another thing that I love to do is just to appreciate my plants and take some time to care for them and just see if they need some water and just notice any new growth that they have. And this actually really helps uplift my spirits. So I do this pretty often when I'm not feeling too well. And it really boosts my mood, so you should try it. Another thing that I really love doing is working on handmade projects, and a recent hobby of mine has been macrame. And so I've been creating a bunch of pieces, and this is such a stress reliever for me. I really enjoy making these, and it just makes me so happy and proud to know that I created this with my hands. I just really enjoy it. Another thing that I love to do is to create DIY projects and film them. And so I did one on this project right here that you can find on my channel as well. So make sure to check that out. And that actually wraps up this video. A special thank you to my sponsor, Pop Secret, for helping me with this video, sponsoring this video, and allowing me to share my relaxation techniques with you. So be sure to check out that blog post for more. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.